Yes, start that again. You have to say it again.
Yes. My name is Alla. I'm from Ukraine. Before my past life, I was Christianity, and I have so much questions about it's right way to what I choose, what I'm Christian, and what I go every time in church. I see idols, icons, candles, also some emblems, and it's the right way to what I'm doing or not. I go to priest because this is like between God, we believe it, and us, somebody stay on the middle. So I say, can you forgive me what I'm doing and what I say? And him answered no. This is like for me, and I was surprised too much. In my life, I stopped and think what I must do correctly, what I must do really change in my life. So, and from that time, Alhamdulillah, Allah give for me some friends, and they meet me with my husband. He invite me in Emirat. So I'm so happy because I know this is Muslim country, and
Yes, start that again. You have to say it again.
Yes. My name is Alla. I'm from Ukraine. Before my